What's the meaning of co-author? Co-author. Co-author.
Co-author. Co-author. A co-author is a person who collaborates with another author on a written work, such as a book, article, or research paper. Co-authors contribute to the creation of the work and share credit for its authorship. Each co-author is responsible for the content they have contributed to the work. Co-authorship is common in academic and scientific writing where multiple authors bring different perspectives, expertise, and ideas to the work. It allows for more comprehensive and rigorous research and can increase the impact and recognition of the work.